to Kiddo Kids.
Okay, so let's go for a
Caller. Okay, hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Sachin.
Okay, hi,
Sachin.
Hi.
Okay, Sachin. What's your favorite? Do you like dogs?
Yes.
Yeah, I like puppies and dogs.
Yeah.
Everyone likes puppies.
Okay.
And dogs.
Dogs. Yeah, both.
Okay, Sachin.
Huh?
What do you like in a dog?
A dog is good. That means it can smell every. For example, if a thieves come to house and if the thieves rob a expensive diamond and it runs away to a petrol pump and we can guess the smell, the dog can follow the smell and catch him easily. And its fur is so cute and if you we need training to do these.
Okay, very
You know
good.
more about dogs and puppies, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, because my father's a veterinary.
Oh, okay. Your dad's a vet.
Yeah.
So your dad tells you all this. Your dad tells you how you treat a dog and all.
Yeah, he gave me training sometimes.
Okay.
Yeah, he trains
Okay,
us.
you're very lucky to have a
Very, very lucky. That
Yeah.
will be very lucky. Okay.
But in my house, I have a fish and a small puppy. I have a puppy. It was newborn.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Oh, you have a puppy at
Okay,
home.
what's the color of that puppy?
It's so. It was born this month only, February, like February 5th.
Oh,
February
okay.
is
Which
about-
color is it?
It's like a cream color.
Oh, okay. What's its name? What did you name it?
Yeah, me and my sister calls him Timmy, or I call him Amy. Yeah, I call him Timmy only.
Okay, it's a girl or a boy? That, what?
It's a boy.
a
And
boy.
and the dog is pregnant one more time.
Oh.
It's going to get, I think, so a girl.
Wow. Okay, anyways, hi Timmy. Okay. Sachin.
You saw that rhyme, right?
Yeah, you saw the rhyme.
Yeah,
Okay, what you saw in that rhyme?
solar system.
Solar system.
Okay, which is your favorite plant in the solar system?
Saturn.
Saturn.
Why
Why do you like Why do you like Saturn?
I like Saturn because it's the second largest planet in the solar system, and its rings are so big.
So, okay, don't you like Earth?
I like Earth.
Okay. So your favorite is Saturn.
Yeah.
Okay, what do you know more than that? Saturn.
Like, what is
What?
its wings made up? Rings made up of?
Ice.
I don't know.
Ice.
Ice.
Ice. Okay. What else?
What else do you know about Saturn?
And my friends say that in the future you can skate in the Saturn around.
Yeah, they do say that, but we don't know if it's true. So yeah,
What I didn't hear.
that you can skate on the.
Wow.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can't skate.
Yeah.
You get a feeling like that.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay, Sachin, do you want a GK or riddle or task?
A GK.
A GK.
GK.
You
Okay.
I'll ask. Okay, Sachin.
Huh?
Okay, I'll ask now. Okay. Whose slogan is this? Who said these lines? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Give me blood and I'll give you freedom. Who said these words?
Mahatma Gandhi.
No.
No. He always stood.
Nelson Mandela.
No.
No, remember Mahatma Gandhi never used violence. He's against violence.
Give me blood.
Give me blood.
This color. Give me blood. I'll give you freedom.
Can you give me a clue?
Clue. Okay, I'll say. Okay. He is the founder of the Indian National Army.
What?
He's the founder of the Indian National Army.
We'll call him Netaji.
Let me think. I don't know.
Okay, I'll give you one more clue, or I'll say the answer.
Okay, you give me one more clue.
Okay, he's called Netaji. He's the founder of Indian National Army, and I'll give you easiest clue. Okay, he died in a plane crash. You know him. One guy with a cap and all, standing like this.
I know where he lives. He lives in Maharashtra.
What's his
What's his
name?
name?
I forgot.
I think Kejri Agarwal है तो. I think.
You
Yeah, that only. But
That's not the answer. But that's not the answer. You know one guy with a. Okay, I'll say the answer. Subhash Chandra Bose. You know?
yes, Subhash Chandra Bose.
Hello.
No, I know, but I forgot. But I only know his place, the Maharashtra.
Okay,
Okay,
it's
it's okay.
Subhash Chandra Bose. Okay,
Yeah.
he said that give me blood and I'll give you freedom. And his another what slogan is that Delhi chalo, something like that.
Okay. Okay,
Sachin.
Sachin.
You have to call us again. Okay.
Okay, next time we'll ask you GK or riddle or task and you have to answer, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Sachin. If you're getting any information, okay, store it in your mind and
Tell us.
tell us,
Whenever
okay?
you call to Kiddo Kids, tell us, okay?
Okay.
Okay, then bye.
Okay, so Sachin had called us.
Yeah, that I also
And-
know.
Okay, and we
Wait,
had
wait.
just seen like the rhyme,
Yeah, so-
which showed the solar system.
Okay, you know what we are going to talk about now, solar system.
Mm.
Okay, which is your
Okay.
favorite planet?
My favorite planet,
Mine is Earth, okay, I said.
yours is Earth. Okay, mine is not Earth. I don't know. I don't have a favorite. I like all of them,
Wow.
but I don't. My least favorite would probably be Earth.
Earth. Oh, okay.
Because there's so much human activities going on here.
But that's the
that,
worst.
You know, the ozone layer which covers the
Atmosphere.
Earth.
Yeah,
Yeah, it's present in the atmosphere. It is already
Ultraviolet rays.
It protects the Earth from
Sun's ultraviolet rays.
yeah, and it's already having a huge hole in it. It's forming a huge hole because of human activities that's done down in the Earth. Which we-
down the Earth.
Yes, done down in the Earth, and we should.
And you know
probably
that
stop
first sun was a what? Earth or sun was a big round bowl, something like that.
Big Bang Theory. Big Bang Theory. They say that almost after 50,000 years.
BBT.
Yeah, BBT. That after 50,000 years, the entire solar system is going to like bang against each other, and it's going to be the teeniest, teeny
How many years?
star.
How many years?
50,000, somewhat that
Okay, then
thing. We'll die by that time.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay, I will get another. Okay, let's go for caller now. Okay.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
My name is Krishnanand.
Krishnanand. Okay. Hi, Krishnanand.
Yeah.
Okay, Krishnanand, you have called us before, right?
No, I don't think so. Krishnanand?
Yeah.
Have you called us before?
Yeah. I called you before last week.
Yeah. See.
Okay.
Yes, I
Okay. What is your pet name?
I don't know his name.
You have no pet,
Pet
name.
name.
Okay, it's okay.
I'll call you what? Krishnanand, right? Krish. I'll call you Krish, okay? Okay, I'll call you Krish.
Okay.
Okay,
Anyways,
Krish. I'll talk about Krish. Do you like dogs?
Yeah.
Do you like dogs?
Yeah.
What do you like in a dog?
I like it because whenever thieves come to our home and it steals precious things, it can smell and catch the thief so that it can help us and we can tell the police about it.
Okay.
okay, very good.
Okay, Krishnanand. You know that solar system, right?
You know solar system, no?
Yeah.
Okay, which is the favorite planet in the solar system?
I like Earth.
Earth. Okay, why do you like Earth?
Okay, high five. Okay, I am also Earth.
Okay, I heard you telling.
Okay, see.
Okay, why do you like Earth?
Because I live on the planet Earth.
Okay.
Then
Then Earth is beautiful, right?
yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Krishnanand.
Krish, only Krish.
Okay, Krish.
Yeah. Yeah.
What do you want? You want a GK or a riddle or
A task.
task?
I want a task.
Before the task, which
You-
grade are you in?
What?
Which grade are you in?
Third.
Third.
Okay. You can ask.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go for a task, okay?
Okay.
Okay. You ask first.
Okay, there's two tasks because it's easy. There's two tasks, okay?
Okay.
Which color is this? It's the easiest task ever. And there's one more coming, don't worry.
Sorry.
Which color is this?
You can see a picture here.
Picture?
Yeah, yeah, picture.
There is
Picture abhi baki hai mere dost.
Red.
Red. Good.
Okay.
Okay, next.
Which color is this?
Good, okay,
Wait, which
good.
color is this?
Red.
No, this.
This
The
one.
photo inside, that's red.
No.
Which color is it?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay, very good. Okay, tell me something about red. Tell me like, okay, 10 things which are red.
Oh my god.
Red.
Yeah, 10 things which are red.
Okay, two. No need of
Okay,
10.
5.
No need 5. Okay, 2 fruits which are red. That
Ah,
is.
okay, 2 fruits.
3.
2 fruits.
Three.
Are red.
3 fruits which are red.
Keep changing.
Pomegranate.
Okay,
Okay, good.
Apple.
Okay.
okay,
And plum.
okay.
Good.
Something else. Strawberry is there. Watermelon is there.
Watermelon is
There are
not
many
in red in color. It's good.
It's the inside
know.
is it.
Okay. And strawberry, apple, what? Pomegranate and.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Krish.
Krish.
Yeah.
Now next task. Okay.
Yeah. Next task.
Can you see one thing here? What is this?
Hold it the other way.
With
Can you sing the? Can you see this thing?
Can you sing this thing? Okay. Hold it the other way.
okay.
What is this?
The pen.
Yeah, it's a pen.
Okay.
Okay.
Can you say what all we use this for?
Other than write it. Okay, including writing.
Draw.
Oh,
You can draw. Then
how can we draw with a pen?
you can draw with a pen. I'll show you. You want to see?
Then we can write messages.
Okay, we'll write messages.
Okay.
That's
Look.
it.
Okay, that's it. Okay, fine. It's okay.
Okay, now I'll ask one more thing. Okay, can you spell this word? Okay,
Okay.
pomegranate.
So, POMEGRANTE.
Okay. Good.
Okay, very good.
Huh?
Very good.
Krish, you're so good. Okay, pomegranate.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay,
then
Krish.
you have to call us again.
Okay.
Okay, then bye.
Bye.
Okay, so
So
we were stuck in Big Bang Theory.
Yeah, Big Bang.
Yeah, so
Theory.
it'll turn into a small star after 50,000 years probably. And
And one more thing, that sun is a very hot planet. It's also a planet.
it's not a planet.
It's called a planet.
It's a star.
Yeah. Okay. It's a star.
It's the smallest star.
It's the biggest star.
If you in the starting in 3rd grade and all, you learn that it's the brightest and the biggest star, but when you get into bigger grades, it's actually the smallest star. You know, the biggest stars of in the universe or in space, we get to see it like this small, but it's actually like huge. It's bigger than the planets, and sun is the smallest.
I don't
among
believe
them.
this. I don't believe this.
Okay, you go to space and go to NASA
Yeah.
and see.
I'll
And
go. I'll go.
okay.
Okay, now let's go for a caller.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Hello. What's your name? Ajin. Ajil.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, Ajil. Ajil. Hello.
Call drop. No. Hello.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello. Drop.
Okay. Call drop.
Hua. Tera.
Vada. Okay. We were talking about solar system. So the sun is actually we'll say biggest stars. Okay. And it's very hot.
Okay.
Oh, okay. It's filled with gas and stuff. And something else about the sun is that we get our solar energy, which is the most, natural.
Solar case in Kerala. Right?
Solar energy.
I
We
know.
use solar energy for so many things.
Yeah, so many things. We can cook food, okay?
Yeah.
That's a good, make it feel like heat is produced like,
Yeah. Okay.
it's
Okay.
acted like a fuel.
Okay. Fuel. Okay. Something else about what else? Okay. We'll start off with the first planet, Mercury. Which color is it? Like it's kind of like brownish, yellowish color, and it is the closest to the sun.
So it's so hot.
Yeah, it's very very
Hottest.
hot. That's why people can't live on it. It's too hot. Yeah. That's what you do when you're cold.
When we are hot also we do the same thing, right?
You don't do this. Yeah,
Like this?
basically.
Okay.
Okay, then what else? The
Okay,
second
wait.
planet.
Venus.
Yeah, it is also known as the evening star
Yeah.
because the first star that you see
Now let's go for a
caller. Okay, hello.
Hello,
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Ritvik.
Ritik.
Hi,
Ritik.
Ritik.
You didn't call for 2 days, right?
You didn't call for 1 day.
2 days.
Yesterday he didn't call.
Hello.
He called. Yeah. Okay,
Hello.
anyways, hi Ritu.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay, Ritu.
Okay.
Why didn't you call us for 2 days? 2 days.
Because yesterday I was in sports day.
Sports me.
Okay.
Okay, did you win anything?
Yeah.
And Sunday I sleep.
Sunday he slept.
Okay, he slept. It's okay.
It's okay.
But then today you called, so
Thank you.
thank you. Okay,
Ritu.
Ritik.
You are looking beauty.
Oh, you both are looking beauty. Thank you.
Okay, Ritu.
So cute. Okay, Ritu.
Yes.
Do you like puppies?
It's cute like you.
What?
Have you seen Ritu?
No, but his voice is cute.
Okay, Ritu, do you like puppies?
Have you seen?
I like puppies.
Okay, you like puppies. Okay, Earth is a planet, no?
Yes.
You know the solar system?
Yes.
Okay, you know. Okay, which is your favorite planet?
Favorite planet?
I like Earth.
Okay, you like Earth.
High five. I also like Earth.
Okay, what else do you like? What do you like about Earth? Other than that, we live in it.
Because it is beautiful. I live in Earth and it is round in shape.
Okay.
Okay.
It's okay. Yeah, that's right.
Okay. Ritu.
Okay, very good.
Ritu.
Yes.
Hello.
Okay.
Okay, Ritu.
Yes.
Okay, we are gonna ask you what? Not a task. Okay, we'll ask you spelling. First, we'll show a picture. Then we'll ask a what? Picture, and I will ask
Okay.
the spelling of it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Can you see this picture here?
1 minute.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Behind us.
Behind us, this one. What?
Yes.
Okay, one thing is standing in the tree. Can you see? One animal.
One animal.
Can you see?
Squirrel.
Okay.
Squirrel.
Now
Okay.
spell the squirrel.
Yes.
Spell it.
Yeah, we
Spell. Oh, okay.
S. Then. Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Spell
What-
it.
What is the spelling of squirrel?
What?
What is the spelling?
S. Okay. Come on, Ritu.
Ritu, what's the spelling of squirrel? S then?
S-U.
S. No.
No.
Okay.
It's
Then
okay.
It's okay. Then say this one.
Yeah.
The side you can see. Side one you can see. Leaf squirrel. Okay. Okay. Now I'll show another picture. Can you see here? One side picture. Cow.
Cow.
Okay. Now spell that cow.
Okay, spell cow.
Yes, I see.
Okay. Can you spell cow?
Yeah, spell it.
C.
Okay.
O
Okay.
W.
W. Okay.
Very good. Okay. Ritu?
Yes.
Okay. You should study the spelling of squirrel. Okay. Now, Anamika, you can say
No, it's okay.
You ask GK.
G.
He wants
G.
GK.
Okay. Easy. G.
Okay. We'll ask about planets itself.
Okay.
Okay, which is the brightest planet in the entire solar system?
This is the third time you're asking the same question.
No, I asked evening star, not
You have asked this, no?
see. Ritu,
Clue.
see. It's also called an evening star.
What? It starts with V.
Don't say that.
V.
It starts with V. 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 V.
V.
V.
V.
Yeah. V. 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 What V. V. V.
Venus.
Yeah.
Yes.
Venus is the right answer.
Okay, Venus is the brightest planet. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Ritu, you should call us again.
S-Q-I-R-E. Yes, good.
Okay.
Okay, Ritu, you have to call us again. Okay. Now, when you're calling us, study the spelling. Okay, squirrel. S-Q-U-I-R-E-L. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then bye.
Bye.
Okay. Sharon.
Yeah.
Okay, where were we? Yeah,
Solar
we were in
system.
solar system. Which planet?
Venus.
Venus.
Now is the
Earth.
Earth.
Okay, so we live in Earth, and it's beautiful, beautiful.
It's
and
beautiful.
we have water and land, and water.
Is being wasted by humans,
Yeah,
and water is being polluted by humans.
yeah. Not half, 3/4 of the Earth is made out of water.
Okay,
and
then
the 1/4 is land.
in that 0.01% is pure water.
Yes, only that much. So you don't want to waste water.
0.03. I mean 0.03.
Yeah,
Okay, 0.03 only just that much water. Okay, don't waste it.
very less.
Okay, then also that land is also being polluted by humans.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so now we'll move on to the next because we all know so much about Earth. So Mars. So you know
Mars is so
it's-
red,
Yeah,
okay?
it's red in color. And recently, people have found that
Scientists have found.
scientists or
Astronaut both.
astronauts.
Now let's go for a call.
Caller. Okay.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Welcome to
Kiddo
Kiddo
Kids. What's your name?
Arush.
Arush.
Okay. Hi, Arush.
Hello.
Okay, Arush, have you called us before?
No.
Okay, Arush.
are in
which
which
grade? Which grade are you in?
KG2.
KG2. Okay.
Do you like Kiddo Kids?
Yeah?
Do you like Kiddo Kids?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you watch every day?
I watch every time. I didn't call you.
Okay.
Today I did.
Okay, you watch every time, but you called us only today. It's okay.
Okay.
Okay,
Arush, can you sing a rhyme for us? Hello, Arush.
Yeah.
Can you sing a
rhyme for us?
I don't know rhymes. Me rhyme.
Can you sing Tingle Tingle Little Star?
Hello.
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 Arush?
No, Asia.
Okay, you're Ashia. Okay, hi Ashia.
Hi, Ashia.
Hello.
Hello, Ashia. Can you sing a song for us?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world sky, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay.
Okay, Ashia, you sang very well, okay?
Hello.
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 Very cute.
Okay, Ashia. Hello.
Hello?
Now I am Arish again, Arish.
Now it's Arush.
Okay, okay.
Okay, Arush, do you like dogs?
Arish.
Do you like dogs? Don't listen to the TV, please.
Listen to the phone, please. Hello.
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 Okay, hello, hi.
Hi.
Hello, Arush.
Call. Drop.
Okay, it's okay. Anyways, bye, Arush. Bye,
Bye,
Asia. Asia.
Okay.
Okay, so yeah, they found
Earth.
water in Mars.
Yeah. We're
Yeah.
Mangalyaan. We're going to moon. No. One rocket is going to Mars or somewhere. No?
Okay.
Mangalyaan.
Okay.
Is it? I don't know correctly. Moon or Mars.
Okay. Then
Sorry for the inconvenience.
okay. What else do you know about Mars?
Mars is so red.
It's the fourth planet from the sun. Then
Okay. Now that's Okay. Now let's go for call. I'll say afterwards. Okay. Hello.
hello.
Hello. Hi. Welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
Dhruva.
Luha. Can you say the name?
Can you repeat your name?
Dhruva.
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 Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Hi, Dhruva.
Yes.
Dhruva, you are in. From where are you in India?
Huh? I
Where
am
are
from
you?
Abu Dhabi.
Abu Dhabi.
Okay.
No, I'm
so
asking.
in India, where are you from?
Hello.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello. From India, where are you?
I am from Kerala, Alapura.
Alapura. Okay. Even I am from Alapura. You know, my mom's from Alapura.
Great.
Great.
Okay.
Okay,
Which
Dhruva.
grade are you in, Dhruva?
I am from 6th.
You're in sixth. Okay.
Just missed her. You are in 7th. She's in 6th.
Okay.
Dhruva. Dhruva.
Dhruva.
Hello.
Yes. Hello?
Okay. Okay. Dhruva, do you like solar system?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, do you like dogs? I just asked.
No, I don't like dogs.
Okay. It's okay. So in this.
Can you say something about solar system?
Yeah.
Yeah, it is the one planet that the black hole didn't reach to it. It is the I think the 24th so 24th biggest planets are there in it.
24th biggest planets are there in.
Okay. What else do
You're
you
so
know
great.
about
didn't
solar
know that.
system?
Huh?
What else do you know about solar system?
Plus, it has 9 planets, but the one of the planet called Pluto has went away from the planet.
Run away from the planet, okay?
Okay.
It's not run away, it's what?
It is not included in the solar system anymore. It's included in another, set of small planets. Okay?
Okay.
Okay,
Small
Dhruva, can you sing a song for us?
No, I hate. So.
I hate.
Okay, you hate songs. Okay.
Do you want GK or riddle or a task? I mean, don't have task.
I need to read it.
Red.
Okay.
I asked one red. Okay, you can ask.
Okay.
I asked you.
What has a foot but no legs?
Shirt.
No. Shirt has a foot.
Can you repeat the question?
Foot. What has a foot but does not have legs?
Shoe.
No. I'll give you a clue. Okay, I'll give you a clue. It's an insect and it's a very slimy insect. And it goes very slowly.
Snail.
Yeah, very good.
Yeah, I was gonna.
It has a foot but no legs.
Okay, Dhruva.
Yeah.
Okay, what's your hobbies?
Huh?
What's your
hobbies?
hobbies?
I am not hearing it. Tell.
What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is to play computers and I have hobbies.
That's a hobby.
Okay, it's okay. Dhruva,
Huh?
Okay, you have to call us again.
Oh my god, computer exam tomorrow. I don't.
And the next time you have to answer all, like whatever we are asking, riddle or GK.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
then
then
bye.
Bye.
I didn't talk much to do right now. Okay. No
I
problem.
talked a lot to her.
Okay.
Okay,
I thought of the computer exam tomorrow.
you have a computer exam tomorrow?
Yeah, third.
When does your final exam start?
Yeah, that's only annual
Tomorrow.
exam. That's
Yeah.
just computer exam. Afterwards, 26th exam starts.
Okay, for me, 25th.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
25th, I have what? What are they called? Preparation holiday.
Okay, study leave.
Yeah.
Okay, we were talking about mass. Okay, now let's move on to next.
Mars. Now Mars. After that,
After that,
Saturn. After wait, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter.
very good.
Yeah.
Fine. Okay, Jupiter is the biggest planet.
Biggest like this. Boom.
Yeah. Okay, and it has a spot right in the middle or like side, which is known as the the red spot. It's like it's a big spot over there. Okay. Something else about Jupiter is that it has a lot of moons.
Really, I didn't know it.
Okay, there are people who didn't.
What can you say one more time? What?
It has a lot of moons. Moon.
Yeah, moon.
Okay,
That I know. That
For Earth, we have only one moon, which is a natural satellite. But
okay, now let's go for call.
okay, hello.
Hello.
Hello, hi, welcome to Kiddo Kids. What's your name?
My name is Taufik.
Taufik.
Taufik,
Okay.
okay.
Hi.
Okay, Taufik, you're in which class?
I'm in 3H.
You're in 3H.
Which school?
Avurun High School, Alberta.
Alberta.
Okay,
What are your hobbies?
Huh?
What
What are your hobbies?
My favorite hobby is to play.
To
Play.
play.
Okay.
What do you play in your hobbies?
I play football.
You play football. Okay.
It's Taushik or
Taushik.
Taushik.
Huh?
Taushik.
Huh?
Okay. What? Do
you like dogs?
Yes.
Do you like dogs?
Okay. Why do you like dogs?
Yeah. Why? Because dogs hard.
Okay.
Okay.
Dogs hunt. I didn't know it. Okay.
And when the thief comes,
Okay.
it will
Bark. Right?
bark.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, Taushik.
Huh?
Do you know the solar system?
Yes.
Okay, can you name all the planets?
Huh?
Can you name all the planets in the solar system?
I can hear.
Can you name?
Name all the planets in the solar system.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, name it.
Earth, Sun, Venus,
Okay.
Jupiter,
Okay.
Mars,
Okay.
Neptune.
Neptune. Okay. Then Uranus.
Uranus, Mercury. Okay, it's Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay.
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 Wait, Taushik.
You have to call. Yeah, you have to call.
Taushik, can you sing a song for us?
Yes.
Can you sing, please?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, sing.
Take it. Take it.
Mm. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up the vessel, housecoat sky, like and diamond in the sky.
Okay,
good.
very good, Taushik.
Taushik, you have to call us again.
Yeah,
okay.
you have to call us again.
Okay.
Okay,
then
then bye. Okay,
Bye.
we were in no, we
Jupiter.
were in Jupiter.
Jupiter
Okay,
Sol is 6300 like that.
Yeah, very lot of moons. Okay, then
Okay. Bye.
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 Okay. Hello, Taushik.
Okay.
Okay, we'll go first. Saturn, Jupiter.
Yeah. Okay. Saturn.
Jupiter, Uranus. We'll go to Uranus.
Okay, we didn't finish Saturn.
Now we don't have time.
Okay, it's okay. Uranus.
It's wind up time.
Okay. Unfortunately.
Okay.
Okay, it's
Okay,
wind
next
up time,
episode
but
we'll
there's-
talk about
yeah.
this Uranus and
Yeah.
Neptune and Saturn.
Yeah, and there's My Teacher coming up
Cartoon.
and Cartoon. Cartoon coming up and our My Teacher coming up.
So you have to
don't-
watch it, okay? Enjoy it.
Yeah, enjoy.
And enjoy your life too, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. If you have exams, study well for that.
Yeah. So watch the cartoon and then study.
Okay, till then, this is Anamika
And this is Sharon
signing off.